Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing well today. Today, I want to share a beautiful story with you. This story is about learning English. It is simple, but it has a powerful lesson. Please listen carefully. Now, let's begin. There was a young boy named Amir. He lived in a small village. He had big dreams in his heart. He wanted to travel. He wanted to meet new people. But there was one problem. He did not know English. Whenever he saw English books, he felt afraid. Whenever someone spoke English, he felt nervous. He thought, English is too difficult for me. He believed he was not smart enough, so he avoided learning it. He kept delaying it. One day, something happened. A tourist came to his village. The tourist needed help. Amir wanted to talk to him. He wanted to help him, but he could not speak English. He felt helpless. That night, Amir felt very sad. He said to himself, I don't want to feel like this again. He decided to change his life. He decided to start learning English. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. He did not join an expensive course. He did not buy big grammar books. He started small. Every day he learned 5 new words. Every day he made one small sentence. He listened to short English stories. He repeated simple sentences loudly. He spoke to himself in English. He made mistakes, many mistakes, but he did not stop. Sometimes he felt tired. Sometimes he forgot words. Sometimes people laughed at his pronunciation, but he remembered his promise. He remembered that feeling of helplessness, and he continued. After 3 months, something changed. He could understand simple conversations. He could introduce himself confidently. He could ask questions. He could answer politely. He was not perfect, but he was improving. After 1 year, Amir became a different person. When tourists visited his village, he spoke with them. He helped them. He guided them. He even made new friends from other countries. His confidence grew. His world became bigger. What was his secret? His secret was not talent. His secret was not money. His secret was consistency, small steps every day, simple practice every day, courage to make mistakes every day. My dear friends, English is not magic. It is a skill, and every skill can be learned. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Learn 5 words daily. Speak 1 sentence daily. Listen for 10 minutes daily. Read a short paragraph daily. Practice a little every day. Remember this sentence: progress is better than perfection. If you wait to be perfect, you will never start. If you start small, you will grow slowly, and one day you will surprise yourself. So today, make a decision. Start your English journey. Start with 1 word. Start with 1 sentence. Start with confidence, because your future is waiting, and English can open many doors for you. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep believing, and never give up.